What is AI? Artificial intelligence, AI, refers to the emulation of human intellect in devices that have been designed to act and think like us. The capacity to reason and take actions that have the highest possibility of reaching a certain objective is the ideal quality of artificial intelligence. Deep learning algorithms allow for this autonomous learning by ingesting vast quantities of unstructured data, including text, photos, and video. The foundation of artificial intelligence is the idea that human intellect can be described in a way that makes it simple for a computer to imitate it and carry out tasks. The criteria used to define artificial intelligence in the past are becoming obsolete as technology develops. Some people think that soon inventors could be able to create systems that are better than what humans are now capable of learning or understanding. The method of language modeling enables robots to comprehend and communicate with us in a language that we understand. Additionally, it can translate spoken languages into computer code that can execute programs and apps. The most sophisticated and substantial language model yet developed is GPT-3 by OpenAI, which has 175 billion inches parameters, variables and data points that computers may utilize to understand language. In the healthcare sector, artificial intelligence is being studied and deployed to help with surgical operations as well as to provide various therapies suited to individual patients. It has uses in the financial sector as well, where behavior in banking and finance such as debit card use and sizable account deposits are detected and flagged. Weak and powerful artificial intelligence fall into two main types. Weak artificial intelligence is represented by a system that is built to do a single task. Video games and personal assistants are two examples of poor AI systems. Systems with strong artificial intelligence can do tasks that are thought to be human-like. These sorts of technology are used in applications like self-driving automobiles and operating rooms in medical facilities. One of four forms of artificial intelligence can be distinguished. For instance, autonomous cars are able to read the road and adjust to unusual circumstances. Theory of mind AI is totally adaptable and has a significant capacity for learning from and remembering the past. As the name indicates, self-aware AI develops sentience and becomes conscious of its own existence. Today, varying in sophistication, artificial intelligence, AI, is widely employed in a variety of applications. AI is used to automate repetitive cognitive labor, simplify industrial processes, and make predictions about the weather and the economy. Some professionals think that an AI will never develop consciousness or become living.